traders, day trader Matt here of businesswithtrading.com, bringing you an S&P Market Analysis for the week beginning the 17th of September. We haven't done an analysis in a while, and that's because the market's basically gone sideways like we were talking about. We did call the top right in here. Market did sell off a little bit, and now it's actually coming back, and it's getting more interesting. We have a couple different scenarios. The main one is we're looking for a top up here. We've had 2506 on the charts for quite a while now, and we added 2512 just to give it an upper boundary level. So that's what we're looking for. And if price does roll over and break 2480, if you want to look at it on a more granular level, 2490 would be a level to watch on the ES. But on a wider level, 2480 on the S&P cash, watch that for any breakdown. And if price does break down, we're watching 2410 and 2400. That's what I think is a good test level. Of course, price can go a little bit below. It can stay a little bit above it. And that's assuming that it does actually break down below that 2480 level. And that's what that arrow means. If it does break, have a nice sustained break, it should be able to drop a little bit. And from there, we'll have to reassess because there's a chance that it could hit this and then chop sideways and then go a little bit lower. There's a chance, a smaller chance, that it can just take off to the upside and continue going. So if it does continue going, we'll be watching 2550, 2600 on the upside. If it actually does start to roll over like our primary thinking, then we're going to watch 2410, 2400, and it could possibly go into the mid 2300s. But if it actually does do that, we're going to be watching a move above 2600, maybe 2700 and above after that, chop move lower. That's what we're going to be watching. If it does move up, we're going to keep an eye out on 2550 to 2600. At that time, we'll be looking for a larger decline, and then after that, we'll still be looking for a push towards 2700. So either way, the market should be headed towards that higher level. It's just how much chop and how much downside are we going to get before that happens. So that's really the main question. I don't think that's going to be answered this week. Probably be next month, perhaps. But it should be interesting ride nonetheless. The market has always been one of my favorite things to watch. It's kind of like a movie, I think. You're watching things, you see some, main characters come in, go out, other characters become more prominent, and it's just a never-ending movie. It keeps going and going and going, and we make money off it. So that's what I really love about the market. But that's really what I'm looking for. 2506 to 2512 on the upside. Watch 2480 closely. If it does break down, that's what I'm watching for the first target anyway. I don't think it's going to, break down and just, everything goes to hell and prices drop straight below 2000. I don't see that happening at all. But it should be a choppy yet strong decline into 2400. Is kind of what I'm thinking at the moment. We'll have to see what happens this week, what happens this month, and then go from there. Right now, like I said, watch 2490 on the ES if you want to get more micro about it, more macro on the S&P cash 2480, and then of course 2512 to 2507 is going to be an interesting upward target to watch. And we'll see what happens. It should be a fun week. Everybody have an awesome trading week this week. I'll see you in the markets. Thanks.